If nothing changed from today forward, not your routines, not your standards, not the way you spend your time, would you honestly be proud of who you are by the end of 2026? That question isn't meant to motivate you. It's meant to wake you up. Most people don't collapse their future in one dramatic mistake. They drift, quietly, gradually. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and then one day they look back and realize they've been living the same year on repeat. On Limitlessa, we don't believe in temporary motivation. We believe in structure. Because you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. If you're serious about 2026, the shift starts now, not with intensity, but with intentional habits that build a different identity over time. Habit 1. Design your day before the world designs it for you. Most people wake up and immediately surrender their attention. Notifications, messages, emails, news feeds. Before they've even formed a thought, they are reacting. That's not control, that's conditioning. The first shift is simple. Before you end each day, decide 3 things for tomorrow. 1 action that moves your life forward. 1 action that protects your health. 1 action that gives your day meaning. Just 3. This is not about building a complicated productivity system. It's about direction. I once spoke to someone who felt constantly busy but never progressing. After committing to 1 meaningful forward action per day, within 60 days they completed projects that had been stagnant for nearly a year. Nothing magical happened. They stopped drifting. Direction is more powerful than speed. When you aim your day, even small steps accumulate into real change. Limitlessa is about intentional living, not reactive survival. Habit 2. Train your focus like it's a competitive advantage. Distraction is the silent tax on your potential. Every scroll, every notification, every quick dopamine hit reshapes your attention span. And attention is power. Without focus, you cannot build mastery in anything. The habit is this: 1 uninterrupted deep work session every day. 1 hour, 1 task, no phone, no multitasking, no background stimulation. At first, your brain will resist. It will crave novelty. That discomfort is proof that your attention has been overstimulated. Focus is a muscle. A student once believed she lacked discipline because she couldn't complete long assignments. When she implemented 1 protected hour per day for focused work, her output doubled, not because she worked longer, because she worked deeper. In a world engineered to fragment your attention, depth is rare, and rare skills create disproportionate results. Limitlessa trains mental endurance, not shallow productivity. Habit 3. Build a body that supports your ambition. You cannot sustain high goals inside a low-energy body. Ambition without physical maintenance leads to burnout. This is not about extreme transformation. It's about consistency. Move every day. Walk, stretch, lift lightly, improve sleep, drink water. Simple fundamentals executed daily outperform intense bursts followed by collapse. I've seen professionals blame a lack of motivation when the real issue was sleep deprivation and physical neglect. After adjusting basic health habits, their clarity and emotional stability improved dramatically. Energy is leverage. It affects your confidence, your discipline, your decision-making. On Limitlessa, we don't chase aesthetics. We build durability. By 2026, you don't need to look perfect. You need to feel capable. Habit 4. Create more than you consume. Modern life trains you to consume endlessly. Videos, posts, news, podcasts. It feels productive because you're absorbing information. But input without output creates the illusion of growth. Creation builds identity. For every hour you consume, create something. Write a page, record an idea, build a small project, publish a thought. Creation exposes gaps in your understanding, and that exposure is valuable. A young marketer once spent months studying branding theory. When she began posting weekly content, imperfect but real, her skills accelerated faster in 3 months than in the previous year of passive learning. Because action reveals truth. On Limitlessa, we don't measure growth by how much you watch. We measure it by what you build. Builders shape their future. Consumers observe it. Habit 5. Release what no longer aligns with who you're becoming. Growth is not only about adding habits. It's about subtracting patterns. Once a week, ask yourself, what am I doing that no longer matches the person I want to become? Maybe it's environments that reinforce old behavior. Maybe it's conversations that drain energy. Maybe it's routines that feel comfortable but stagnant. Letting go is uncomfortable because familiarity feels safe. But comfort can become a cage. I've seen individuals delay their progress for years because they protected environments that kept them small. When they restructured their surroundings with intention, their identity shifted. You cannot evolve while defending outdated patterns. Limitlessa is not about clinging to who you were. It's about stepping into who you're capable of becoming. Habit 6. Decide faster and adjust as you move. Indecision feels responsible. It feels thoughtful. But prolonged hesitation often masks fear. Clarity rarely appears before action. It emerges because of action. Choose a direction. Move. Gather feedback. Adjust. Someone I know delayed launching a service for months. Refining details. Waiting for certainty. When they finally launched imperfectly, real-world feedback improved their offer faster than months of private planning. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds competence. On Limitlessa, we value motion over perfection. A small imperfect step today outweighs a perfect plan that never leaves your mind. Progress compounds when you stop waiting for ideal conditions. Habit 7. Practice daily self-reflection. This is the habit almost no one maintains consistently. Yet it changes everything. Spend 5 quiet minutes each evening. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? Where did I choose comfort over growth? What will I adjust tomorrow? Not with guilt, with honesty. Without reflection, you repeat patterns unconsciously. With reflection, you correct course daily. Most people relive the same year because they never evaluate their behavior deeply enough to change it. Awareness creates improvement. Improvement builds transformation. Limitlessa is built on conscious evolution. We act, observe, refine, repeat. By the end of 2026, the difference won't come from one breakthrough moment. It will come from repeated structure. You don't need extreme motivation. You need systems that function when motivation fades. Start with one habit, master it, then layer the next. Over time, your behaviors shape your identity. And identity shapes your outcomes. The real question isn't what you will achieve by 2026. It's who you will become. That is the standard. That is the commitment. That is Limitlessa.